Okay, welcome back to KR Stock Portfolio. Today I want to run through how to buy stocks in the Trading 212 app. First of all, just have a quick walk through Trading 212. Overall, I've been using this app since September, October time this year. And in general, I would say it's a much better app than the Revolut app. There's also an online version of the app which is absolutely brilliant on the computer or laptop. So what you can see here is the home screen in the Trading 212 app. So you can see at the top left, we've got an ISA icon. This is my ISA account. And you can see we've got a series of watch lists. So the first one is a watch list that I've put together. You see that stock at the top, TU, in the top left-hand corner of the icon, you'll see a F sign. That means you can buy fractional shares in that stock. If there isn't an F sign, you won't be able to purchase fractional shares, and you'll need to purchase one whole share at least of a stock without an F sign. Okay, so moving along, we also have some other pre-filtered lists in Trading 212. So first off, we've got top winners, top losers, and then we've got popular stocks, the likes of Uber, Netflix, Tesla, the known names, Facebook, Alphabet, those types of stocks. US stocks. What I like about Trading 212 as well is we have UK stocks. You can't trade UK stocks in trading in Revolut, so it's nice to be able to do that. I've also got new stocks which have just been released to the app, and we also have ETFs, exchange traded funds, which is a really nice feature as well. So you've got access to Vanguard, iShares, there's a whole host of ETFs. I'll cover those in another video. We also have other stocks, there's just a few in there, and upcoming earnings, which is a nice feature. So stocks that are going to release earnings in the not too distant future. So that might help your stock picks. So that's the home page. As I said, I'm in the ISA app, but we also have a Trading 212 CFD account, which is contract for difference. I'm not going to cover that because it's not something I would consider doing, but suffice to say it's available. There's also the option to practice with virtual money. So you can open a virtual account with £50,000, which I would highly recommend if you're going to get into CFD. The Trading 212 Invest account is not tax free. So you can see I don't have any funds in there. And I've set up my account as an ISA account. So in the UK, you get up to £20,000 tax free. So you can see I've got 53% utilisation, and I've got some scope to invest some extra funds before the 4th of April 2021 if I would like to. But so that's just a walk around the home screen. Now, if you're wanting to buy stocks, obviously you can just click on any stock in the home screen, or you can use the magnifying the magnifying glass icon at the bottom to search for stocks. So I'm just going to click on that, and again you've got some options for pre-filtered lists, so most popular, dividend. So if you wanted to click on dividend and look at potential dividend stocks, you've got the likes of Exxon, AbbVie, Macy's, some well-known dividend stocks in there. But I'm going to search for stocks. So I'm going to search for Coca-Cola, so KO, stock ticker, and we'll have a look at Coca-Cola. What I like about the Trading 212 app is the graph functionality is extremely powerful, with the time scales at the bottom. Also, if you flip your phone to landscape, you get a more technical chart with access to candle charts and more technical charting functionality. The other great thing about trading 212 is it's got a whole host of company information. So we just click on company details, you get a description, who's the CEO, headquarters, basic data, but then you get a whole host of financial metrics. So key ratios, you've got a whole host of financial metrics, share metrics, management effectiveness metrics, financial strength, margin, valuation. You could spend hours looking at that information to help you process your investment decisions. There's also some nice charts covering income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. So a whole host of data, which is excellent. So let's buy some shares. I'm not going to go through the full transaction, but it's very straightforward. So if you just click buy, you will default come into the market option, but there's also a limit option, stop option, and a stop limit option. I'm just going to focus on a market option. So you have the ability to purchase by shares. How many shares would you like? And you also have the option to purchase on value. So you could purchase £100 value in Coca-Cola. So I'll just show you how to do number of shares. So if you just click on the 0 and type in the number of shares you would like. So I'm going to go for 1. That's quickly calculated that 1 share would be worth around £39.44. If you're happy with that, you simply click on review order. And then you get a very simple summary. So market buy 1 share, $39.43 and free commission. If you're happy with that, you just simply press send buy order, and then that would quickly go through. I'd say it takes between a few seconds up to a maximum of a minute. It'll confirm the purchase, and then a receipt of that purchase will go down at the bottom of the company information. You'll get a history, and that receipt will go in there, and then that stock will move into your portfolio. Within your investments, you will see Coca-Cola within your list and a track of whether the stock is profiting or making a loss. So that's it. It's very easy to use. As I say, I've been using the app for a couple of months. I find it extremely powerful. I think it's much more powerful than the Revolut app. In future, I'm going to give a full rundown of the portfolio I currently have. At the moment, you can see my portfolio is worth around £11,700. I think I invested 10,000, so the account's up at the moment. So I've got, and the other thing is I've got about £1,000 free funds. So I'm actively researching accounts I can invest in. So stick around for more as always. If you've got any comments, questions, please leave them down below, and please like and subscribe for more. Thanks.